Breaking news coming in right. The actor Rakul Preet has finally accepted NCB summons. We're the first to break it here on India Today. Rakul Preet saying, actor Rakul Preet finally accepting the summons issued to her by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Remember, at first she said that she has not received a copy of the summons, but now she has accepted the NCB summons, so perhaps she is going to be the next to be grilled as well, the timeline of which our reporters will bring us up to speed. Up until now, she kept saying she's not received a copy of the summons, but Rakul Preet has accepted the NCB summons. Finally, that is the big breaking story. We're breaking first here on India Today, and she's gone ahead and said to the NCB that I will be joining the probe tomorrow. So she is going to be joining the probe tomorrow. She will be grilled as well. As we speak, Simone Khambata is being grilled, and Rakul Preet now finally admits to receiving the summons after denying it time and again. And after high drama, Rakul Preet has accepted the NCB summons. Saurabh Aktania is joining us for the very latest. Saurabh, Rakul Preet finally accepting that NCB has given her the summons. She's accepted and says that she will be attending the questioning tomorrow. So after Simone Khambata, who's being grilled as we speak, Rakul Preet will be grilled tomorrow. What else are we picking up?
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. This was the tactics which have been used by Rakul Preet. That is what the NCB officials were telling us, that this was not going to help that at all. You can see here in the visuals, this is the NCB guest office. Here, she had to arrive over here because NCB had made pair of two. Today, Khambata and Rakul had to be questioned together because their name had come up in the Riya Chakrabarti case. Now, she had named them specifically. Therefore, questioning of Rakul and Simone Khambata together was very important. Now, Simone Khambata came over here on time she came over here, but Rakul at the very end moment, now she knew that already summons were given to her. The NCB officials clearly told us that first the summons were given to her Mumbai house in Bandra where she lives. Then there is another house of Rakul in Hyderabad, also summons were pushed over there. Now also she would also got in touch with the social media platform and also on her mobile phone, but she was not receiving the summons. Now very specifically, we can say at the end moment, the timing with the NCB officials are questioning that she had to be over here at 11 a.m. but just 1 hour before she had to arrive over here, she gives a statement in the media through her manager that she never received a summon. So NCB officials clearly told us that this was the tactics which have been used by the Rakul Preet, but this is not going to help at all. They have all the legal aspect ready, and they said that if she does not receive it, we'll give a fresh summons, and then also if she does not receive those summons, we have what we have to do. So clearly now the pressure tactics which Rakul may be trying to put on the NCB officials are not seen to be happening, and she has now received summon here.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.